This coming week on the Roblin Live Show, you will have the chance to learn how to make a GIF. This is a type of image file that supports both static and animated images, commonly known as a graphic interchange format. We welcome you to join us during this presentation and learn how to make a GIF being presented by Greg Hill, also known as my 4RE, who uses 100% free online tools with no sign-up or sign-in required. GIFs are widely used on the internet for sharing short, looping animations and often taken from movies, TV shows, or other media, as well as for conveying emotions, reactions, or conveying information in a visually engaging way. They are popular on social media platforms, messaging apps, and forums due to their ability to quickly communicate ideas or emotions in a concise and entertaining manner. We look forward to sharing this learning experience with you on Roblin Live. See you there!